Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel UPSC Study Circle. Well, in this video I'm going to explain about Article 14. Well, all of you know already Article 14 is about the fundamental rights, and fundamental rights is from the Indian Constitution. So fundamental rights is the heart of the Indian Constitution. Now I'm going to explain Article 14. Previously, we saw about Article 13 and Article 12. Well, if you missed it, I will provide those links in my description box. You can find and you will learn. And okay, let's start Article 14, right to equality. So, in the Indian Constitution, fundamental rights, right to equality is very important in exams as well as in real life also. So, in UPSC prelims and as well as mains, uh, so many times Article 14 question came in UPSC prelims and as well as mains. And one more thing I want to say you guys in about the Article 14, one PDF is there. It is a full of questions and as well as real-time cases. I will upload in the next video. Please watch. So Article 14 is the central to the fundamental rights in India, promoting the equality and equal protection for all citizens. Note this point, everyone. So Article 14 is about the central to the fundamental rights in India and promoting equality and equal protection for all citizens. This is the definition of the Article 14. So text of Article 14, simple definition, one more. The state shall not deny to any person equality before the law or equal protection of the laws within the territory of India. I repeat this line one more time. The state shall not deny to any person before equality before the law or equal protection of the laws within the territory of India. So simple simple and example simple definition is a simple man, any person equality before the law or equal protection of the laws within the territory of India. And the key elements and explanation we can see in this video. So key elements and explanation: equality before the law means every citizen is equal before the law, no special privileges. If he is any category from PM son or CM son, like minister son, everybody is under the equality before the law. No special privileges for any person, including the state itself. Including the state itself means not only state, all over the India, every citizen is equality before the law. No special privileges for any person, including the state itself. And equal, one more thing, equal protection of laws. Equal protection of laws means like should be treated alike without any discrimination. Without any discrimination, like such as race, caste, gender, like this. And equal treatment for those in like circumstances, whoever are surrounding ourselves, we have to treat them equally, like should be treated alike without any discrimination, equally. Treatment for those like in the circumstances, that is the rule of law. So important highlight article is 14. Important highlights of the article is ensure equality before the law. This word is very important, guys. Equality before the law. Simple. Article 14. Just whenever you saw Article 14, just remember this word: equality before the law and equal protection of the laws. These two words, just remember: equality before the laws, equal protection of the laws for all persons within the India, and applies to all individuals, like everybody, applies to all individual citizens and foreigners also. Equality before the law and equal protection of the laws. Article 14 will give you a protection. So, and across all the government bodies, executive, legislature and judiciary. So Article 14 is about equal protection of the laws to everybody, such as citizens and foreigners, and government bodies also, like legislature, judiciary, and executive, on the basis of the other rights under Part 3. So, under Part 3, serving as guiding light, Article 15, 16, 17, 18. These are the remaining articles. Like Article 15 is a discrimination, and Article 16 is opportunity, and Article 17 is untouchability, and Article 18 is the abolition of titles. These articles also I will explain soon in my channel. So please support, guys. And one more thing, empowers the Supreme Court and High Courts to strike down the discriminatory laws. Based on the Article 14, Supreme Court also follow the rules based on the Article 14, strike down the discriminatory laws. And the concept of the reasonable classification is doctrine. Reasonable classification is allowed to implement the policies and address inequalities. However, there must be intelligible differentia, a clear distinction between the basis of the classification. And one more thing, rational nexus, there must be clear relationship between the purpose of the law being implemented. And last line is, what is the valid test of the reasonable classification? Reasonable classification is nothing but intelligible differentia. The classification must be based on the real and clear distinguishable difference between groups of people, things that set them apart, and not arbitrary and unreasonable. And one more thing, important case laws for UPSC. Do you know this Rayappa versus State of Tamil Nadu? It's happened in 1974. Rayappa is a state of Tamil Nadu. Well, I will zoom out. Yeah, okay, doesn't matter. Rayappa is a state of Tamil Nadu. One case is happened in 1974. Rayappa is a case of Tamil Nadu, state of Tamil Nadu. It is a very important case. And also limitations of the Article 14 allows the reasonable classification, hence not absolute equality, and does not block differential based chart like any of unreasonable things. Well, I will upload for more videos like Article 14, 15, 16, 17 like this. So please subscribe and support me, guys. Thank you.